Hello, on the next of the videos for UWIC College Services, in order to complete your registrations for either a doctor or the police, you need to go to the UWIC College Services page. So type in UWIC College Services, and click on the one that it offers, scroll down, and you'll see we have a tile system. And we have one that says Visa, Attendance and Absence, which we'll be coming to later. And the next thing for you to do on the VLE is to register with either the police or with the GP, or to look at the absence notification forms. Now, the first thing you need to do to get to the forms or the links is to search against UWIC College Services. Click on the link, scroll down, and you'll see we have a series of tiles. Now, if we're looking at Visa and Attendance, we've got a link here, Absence Notification Form. If you click on this link, you'll see that we have boxes that you'll need to fill out. So you'll need to put in your name, your family name, your Kaplan ID, and then answer the various checkboxes here. And then give us the reason for your absence by clicking on one, such as physical health. When you've done that and completed the details, you need to click on Submit Form.